Hey mates, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to pad your bustier properly using WARDEN. So I made use of the softest WARDEN. So here is my fabric. I have already interfaced it with an ST. So I notched the underbust and the bust point to indicate the exact point it's located. So you can actually place it anywhere on the WARDEN, but since I have a straight line, so I decided to place it on that to maintain that line. And please, your WARDEN should not exceed your underbust and it shouldn't get to the neckline. So the style I'm working on is a bustier that has yoke, a high yoke. So I measure 3 inches down from my neckline down so it wouldn't get into my neck. So you draw out the shape. I'm using a pencil here, that's why I'm struggling with it. You can actually use a chalk. So after that, you cut it out following the exact shape of your pattern, like so. You cut it carefully, you raise the pattern up, then you cut out the shape that you have drawn, like so. That is it. You are done with the center front. So you bring the side front pattern, you place it as well on the WARDEN, starting from your underbust. So for the side front, your WARDEN should not get into the side allowance. So you make sure you take note of the side allowance you already added while drafting out your pattern. So from my actual measurement, I went in by 1 inch. Please, not from this allowance, for my actual measurement. I went in by 1 inch and I followed the shape from the center front down to where my WARDEN is going to stop. So after drawing out your shape like so, you cut it out. You cut it out carefully. You know your WARDEN is on fold. So after cutting out, you have 2 pieces for the 2 sides, like so. So you cut it out carefully. You can actually remove your pattern before cutting it out too. I don't even know why I didn't remove my own pattern. Okay, so you cut it out like so. So this is how it's going to look like when you place it on your pattern, like so. So this is the center front and here is the side. Here is one part of the side front and here is the other part of the side front. So I'll go to the ironing table and press them down. So at this point, before you press them down, you look at how the WARDEN is placed on your fabric. So I don't like the way this part is pointing out, so I just trim it off. And the other one as well. Yes, you feel free to trim off if you don't like the way it's looking. It's not bad. So I'll go to the ironing table and press it down. So I've pressed it down with iron and this is how beautiful the patterns are looking. You don't have to pad the whole pattern for you to get that pointy effect. No, not at all. Look at how beautiful they are all looking. So I'll go to my sewing machine and sew it and show you the final outcome. So mate, this is how it looks after I've sewn it. This is how beautiful it's looking. We have come to the end of today's class. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.